In this video, we're going to take a look at division strategies specifically for third grade. So in this strategy set, we're going to look at fact families, commonly known as inverse operations, repeated subtraction, equal groups, and number lines. These strategies mirror the multiplication strategies. They're just the opposite side. So instead of repeated addition, division does repeated subtraction. Equal groups, we start them a little bit differently. Number lines just go the opposite way. And inverse operations are just a good way for us to use fact families and build on the knowledge that we already have. So with this example, we're going to look at 18 divided by 9 equals, and our quotient is missing. So in a fact family of division, you have division and multiplication. So the opposite or the inverse of division is multiplication. So I'm going to use the smaller number as my first factor, and I'm going to ask myself 9 times what is 18? So I know 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. So that would mean that my quotient for 18 divided by 2 is 9. And in this example, 18 divided by 9 is 2. So when I make my fact family, again, just like multiplication, addition, and subtraction, you use the same numbers. And that's your fact family. Repeated subtraction looks similar to repeated addition. So we have 18 minus 9, and you want to see how many times you're going to subtract 9. So I start with 18. You always start with the largest number, because in division, the largest number always goes first. So 18, and I'm going to subtract 9. And here I'm going to have to regroup. I only have 8, so I can't give away 9. So when I regroup, so 18 minus 9 I know is 9. Now I'm going to carry this 9 up. 9 minus 9 is 0. So once I've gotten to 0, I know I can go back and count. So I find my subtraction marks, and I've subtracted twice, so I know 18 divided by 9 equals 2. This one, the trick is with repeated subtraction is to find the number of times you've subtracted. So you take the subtraction symbol and circle the whole part of it, minus how many, and that's how you count. Equal groups, I have 18 of something, and I'm going to split them into 9 groups, and I'm looking for how many is going to be in each group. So you're going to set up your 9 groups. And you have 18, so you're going to start in the first one, and you're going to make a mark in each one until you get to the end. And then you start over. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to start over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And with this, now I've hit 18. I don't have any left. And I'm going to see how many is in each group. And with it being equal groups, you only want to count the number that each group has. So I can see in this one there's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So that makes me know that 18 divided into 9 groups is 2 in each group. And then the last one is the number line. And this number line is going to have to go backwards because subtraction and division are linked together. So they are going to have similar directions. So just like in a subtraction number line, you would hop backwards. In a division number line, you're also going to hop backwards. So here on my number line, I start at 0, and my number line goes to 25, and you can see I did this in groups of 5. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This just gives you an easier way to see where all the numbers are without having a whole bunch of jumbled up little numbers. So I suggest finding a scale to write them on. So we are looking for 18 because that is our largest number. So we're going to, here is 20, and I know minus 2 would be 18. So here is 18. And we're going to be making jumps of 9. So we're going to jump backwards 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you want to jump until you get to 0, or as close to 0 as you can. So this is 1 jump, 2 jumps, and I now know based on my number line that 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 18 is where I started, 9 is how large my jumps were, and 2 is the number of jumps that it took for me to get here.